Hello, my name is George Nelson, and today I'll be recommending a buy option for Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Limited. I will show that this is the most valid course of action through the use of the HOLT valuation methodology by describing the economic moat for which this company enjoys, and also by putting together a bear case for this company. Taiwan Semiconductor is involved in a highly competitive industry, but does hold a satisfactory market share. This company has held a large market share of over 40% since 2007. When we look at this industry, we can see that this industry is highly cyclical, as shown in the asset growth section of the relative wealth chart. Using the HOLT methodology, I have come to the conclusion that the market implied CFROI level of 5.2% is unrealistic, and it should be closer to the HOLT-derived 11.2% used in our evaluation. When looking at the factors that go into determining the CFROI levels, namely the operating margins and the asset turns, we can see that the implied CFROI of this company is projected to fall to 11.2% from its current levels of 14% due to naturally occurring concept of fade. This is much higher than the market implied 5.2% CFROI level, and therefore shows that this company is currently undervalued in the marketplace. This company is a good investment when analyzing its large economic moat. This company is much more profitable than other companies in the semiconductor field, as shown by the operating margins on its products. We can see in the graph when comparing it with Inotera Memories Incorporated, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing has a much more stable operating income, sitting at around 60 to 70% for the past 5 years, as compared to Inotera's 40 to 50% for that same period. When considering the bear case for Taiwan Semiconductors, the worst thing that could happen would be if the company's buyers were to back out of the orders that have been made for upcoming years. This company's largest buyer is Apple Incorporated. When looking at this graph, we see that the chips from the 28 nanometer and smaller are contained in the newer models of the Apple A7 to A9X chips, and make up about 25 to 30% of Taiwan Semiconductor's revenue. If Taiwan Semiconductors were to lose Apple Incorporated, it would still be a good investment due to its diversified business model. In the near future, the loss of Apple Incorporated is not likely due to Taiwan Semiconductor striking a deal with Apple to be its sole distributor of their new line of semiconductors in 2016. Looking at these valuations and seeing as how this company's stock price has hovered around the HOLT-derived price up until mid-2009, we can see that this company is currently undervalued. Therefore, I recommend a buy for Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing.